of dwarfs, the short people you see, isn't it? There is no growth in them. Short people, no growth. Those are called dwarfs. Even they are big, they have no growth. They don't become tall. They don't grow. So they look so short. They are called dwarfs. Now we'll begin the lesson. Narrator. Once upon a time, a king and a queen ruled over a distant land. Now there are two people here at the beginning of the lesson. Who are those? One is king and a queen. Now what the king and queen are doing there? They were ruling a land, a far land, distant land. One winter day, the queen was doing needlework while looking through the window when a bird flew by distracting the queen and she pricked her finger. Now what happened? Now one fine day, that is a winter day, queen was doing some work. And what is the work she was doing? She was doing a needlework. And at that time what happened? She was looking outside the window. That time one bird flew by distracting the queen. A bird flew when she was looking out of the window, and that distracted the queen. So, and what happened? In her hand there was a needle, and the thread. She pricked her finger with the needle. A single drop of blood fell on the snow outside her window. Now what happens? Now suppose if we have in our hand a needle or anything other thing something, if we are distracted, if we look at others and if we begin to stitch, we prick our hand, isn't it? And that time what happens? Little blood comes, it bleeds, little drop of blood comes out. As she looked at the drop of blood on the snow, she said, "Oh, how I wish that I had a daughter that had skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony." Now she says, she dreams, she wishes, "Oh, I should have had a daughter." And what kind of daughter? Skin is white as snow, lips are red as blood, and her hair as black. She is wishing that she said, I wish I had a daughter." Now what happens after that? The queen's wish was fulfilled. Now her desire was fulfilled when she gave birth to a baby girl who had skin as white as snow, lips as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony. They named her Snow White. Now what happened? Her wish is fulfilled. Now she wanted a daughter just like white as snow, her lips as red as blood, and hair also as black as ebony. Now what happens? Her wish becomes true, and she gives a birth to a baby girl just like how she wanted that daughter. Okay, they named her Snow White. Now what happened? Unluckily, this mother dies. The queen died. Soon after, the king married another woman. Now king is left alone because a wife died, isn't it? Queen died. So immediately, soon after that, her death, the king married another woman who was beautiful but proud and cruel. Her behavior was not so good. So she was beautiful, but she was proud and she was cruel. Cruel means what? Krura we say in Kannada. Behavior was not at all good. The new queen, Snow White's stepmother. Now the child, Snow White, isn't it? Whose previous wife's daughter. Now his daughter, but he gets married with another woman, and that Snow White will have a stepmother. Stepmother means her own mother dies and her daddy marries another woman and she becomes the stepmother. Okay, had studied black magic and owned a magic mirror of which she would daily task. Now this stepmother studied black magic. She was good in black magic, and also she owned a magic mirror. She had a mirror, and that mirror was a magic mirror, and which she would daily ask. Okay, now what she does, we'll see. Stepmother, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's that most beautiful of them all? She's going to, now mirror is a hand on the wall. Now stepmother goes, White House, stepmother, Snow White, Snow White's stepmother goes to the mirror and she says, "Hello mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful of them all? Now mirror says, you my queen are the most beautiful of them all. Narrator says, this pleased the queen. Now queen feels very happy because mirror said, you are the one who is the most beautiful. She knew that her magical mirror could speak only the truth. One morning the queen asked, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful of them all? Mirror said, you my queen are the most beautiful. It is true, but Snow White is even more beautiful than you. Mirror said, once she asked, the mirror says, you my queen, you are the beautiful one. Then this one says, queen says, yeah, my mirror doesn't tell lies. I'm the beautiful one. Things like that. Then once again she goes and asks, who is the beautiful among all? Then the mirror says, you are the most beautiful, but Snow White is more beautiful than you. Narrator, the cruel queen was angry and jealous of Snow White. Now, queen is in the picture, you see. He is getting so angry because mirror said that you are beautiful, but with the Snow White is more beautiful than you. So she gets very furious. She feels jealous of Snow White. She ordered her herdsmen to take Snow White into the woods to be killed. Now she says, see here in the picture, she says, orders them, take the Snow White from my sight and take her into the woods and be killed. Let her be killed. Stepmother, take the girl, go to the forest and kill her. And as a proof, bring me her heart. Now stepmother is so cruel. That woman is not good. The queen, second queen is not good. She said, what dress you have worn? Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Who is this girl? White? See, dress, Tanvi, I think. See, dress should be neat, okay, children? See, some of you simply half of dress you have worn and listening to the classes. You need to wear uniform first of all from this month. Even there is uniform, you should wear one good color dress. Decent dress, not any dress. So shabby it looks to look at you all. Wear neat dress, sometimes we tell you that when we ask questions, we want to see you. So you are with the shabby clothes, it doesn't look nice. Okay. Now stepmother, take the girl, go to the, that is over. Now stepmother says to that herdsman, see, now take that Snow White girl to the forest. There you kill her and bring her, I want her heart, so bring it to me. And she laughs. Now huntsman says, yes, my queen, I will do as you say. He says, he bows and tells, okay, whatever you say, I will do it. Now narrator said, the poor huntsman took Snow White into the forest, but could not kill such an innocent and beautiful little princess. He took, listening to that queen, to that Snow White to the forest, but he could not kill her because she was so beautiful, so innocent, so good she was. Now huntsman, Snow White, I cannot kill you. He says to that Snow White, I cannot kill you. Now what you do is you escape from here, run as fast as you can, and you run from here. You don't remain here. Snow White says, thank you, good man. You are so good. I will always be grateful for what you have done. I'll thank you every day. I'm grateful to you for what you have done. You are so concerned of me. You love me so much. So thank you, she said. Now narrator. Then the huntsman killed a deer and took his heart to the queen, pretending it was Snow White's heart. Now what happened? Huntsman didn't want to kill that Snow White. So what he makes a plan. He catches hold of a deer, kills that deer and takes the heart of that deer to that queen, pretending it was Snow White's heart. Pretend means what do you call? Pretend, as showing as if it is Snow White's heart. Huntsman, here my queen, I did as you told me, take her heart. Now this huntsman goes to the queen and he says, see, I have brought Snow White's heart, you now take it that heart. Stepmother feels very happy, so she laughs. Now I am the most beautiful of them. Now my mirror cannot say that she is beautiful because she is no more. She is already died. Now only her heart is here So now I am the most beautiful. Narrator says, meanwhile, Snow White was at the forest. Snow White, where was she? In the forest. Snow White, oh, I am all alone in this great forest. I do not know what to do.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.